Here's a certified 2014 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident. The cabin is elegant and sporty. The performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. Features include external memory control, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, power telescoping steering column, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver reports the formerly flared rear fenders now appear more tight and toned, and the overall package displays a more cohesive and athletic look than did the previous car. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Experience it for yourself today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.